How to add debit card on Cash App. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a debit card on Cash App. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Cash App application and make sure to log into it. Once you're logged in, you can find the little dollar icon at the bottom left corner of your screen if you have any balance on your account. If not, you'll see a little bank icon at the bottom left. Just head over there. And once you get to this section, from here you want to tap on Add Cash and select the amount that you want to add. Now just enter the amount and then tap on Add. And once you've added your amount here, you just have to enter your debit card from which you want to add cash. So in order to add a debit card, you just need to enter the number here. And once you enter the card number, enter its expiration date, as well as the 3-digit CVV code and your zip code. Now tap on Link Card, and you should be able to connect a debit card to your Cash App. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.